Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Cheater Buster AI. So if you don't know what Cheater Buster AI is, it's basically you enter your person's or your partner's information. So for example, their name and their number, and the Cheater Buster AI will check if there are any matches or on a dating app. For example, you enter their name and Cheater Buster AI searches for their name on Tinder and any other dating apps. So basically, if you should know if your partner is on any other dating app. So I actually found this review here, which is named Dating Zest. So they actually go over into detail is Cheater Buster AI legit. So here are the pros and cons of Cheater Buster AI. So it is easy to use, and it can be accurate if the details are correct. So and it also works worldwide. However, this is sort of a red flag since you need to enter your partner's details, their name and their information, so like their number. So you're potentially giving out your partner's information to the internet out there, so it can be dangerous if you do that. So use this app with caution. However, a Cheater Buster AI is sort of legit. However, it doesn't work on all of your accounts on all accounts. So sometimes it won't work, sometimes it will. So if your partner is on any dating app, a quick Google search can match them. Like here, for example, Google use site tinder.com and the name to see if their profile appears, and you can guess their name, username on Tinder, and blah blah blah. And reverse image search, and yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.